Oyagala omukolo gw'ogwenjawulo gubeere n'ebijjukize mu nnyumba yo? Kankwanjulire ba King Montage Photo Studio. Ffe bakafuluma okukuba ebifaananyi n'okukola video. Olina wedding, birthday party, kukyala, nika, baby shower, photoshoot oba music shoot na buli kimu kyonna ky'oyagala. Ffe tusobola okuwa ebijjukize ebirungi eri ebirooto byo. Ate nno mwana wattu kusintiiza omuntu wa bulijjo. Tusangibwa Nankulabe ku Bitaala, ku Prime Tower, Level 3, Room D04. Okumanya ebisingawo, tukubire ku nnamba zino: 07 2 1 4 25 oba 0755 3 731 oba 0777 23 405. King Montage Photo Studio. Ffe tusobola okuwa ebijjukize ebirungi ate nno mwana wattu kusintiiza omuntu wa bulijjo.
Condolence message by His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, President of the Republic of Uganda, upon the death of Dr. Alhaji Ibrahim Mwanga, 11th September 2024. As you know, His Excellency is in Karamoja in official duty, so he will not be here. Condolence message to the family of the late Dr. Alhaji Ibrahim Mwanga. I have received with profound sadness the news announcing the death of Dr. Alhaji Ibrahim Mwanga, which of sympathies and condolences to the family, relatives, and friends of the late Alhaji Ibrahim Mwanga. My thoughts are with the family during this moment of grief and sorrow. I pray that Allah grant you the fortune and courage to go through this loss. The country has lost a great entrepreneur and innovative business leader who profitably took advantage of Uganda's vast business opportunities to create jobs and incomes for our people. His numerous investments in the services industry, agriculture, manufacturing, etc., have created avenues for employment and revenue for the country. His unwavering commitment and hard work enabled him to ascend to greater heights of personal success and to create an international business empire from a very, very humble beginning. He leaves behind a great example worth emulating, especially for the youthful generation. Persistence and dedication to correct principles yield positive results in the long run. May Dr. Haji Ibrahim Mwanga Chibirige soul rest in eternal peace. Signed, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, President of the Republic of Uganda, and accompanying this condolence message is a 10 million shillings. Banako we went to our president, Sinjabu Tekamu, Sinjabu Kurula, Wamanu Kurula, Wajabu Kurula. Parliament, Katikiro of Uganda, the Vice Chairman of the NRM Party, Deputy Katikiro, Honorable Ministers of Central Government and Uganda, Members of Parliament, representative of the CDF, religious leaders of Kubamadin, Mwendama Sheikh, Nawakuabarara, abakulu ab'egavumenti ez'ebitundu, RDC atuuzizza wano Webakiso, famire y'omugenzi, amaama bannamwandu ab'oluganda, abaana n'ab'emikwano abali wano n'abali mu nsi ez'ebweru yonna. Banne mujja kwebuza protocol natumidde okukiikirira president naye ate sipiika bw'aba waali protocol endagira nti abasinia naye deputy speaker yangambye nti nedda yazze wano nga maama gamukwano naye newankubadde ababuuliddeko njagala gye ababuuzeeko just come and say at least nga maama ejamba at least obabuuzeeko bamanye nti bw'oli ate waganye palamenti erina ettuli yaweereza ekyo nakyo kikiggale yokempeyo message ya president.
Honorable Minister Kachonga, the Kachikiro of Uganda, and the Deputy Kachikiro, who is also my Somesa, the widows and the children, the honorable members of Parliament, wherever you are, please come over. In a burial, I always don't take protocol as an issue. My senior, Honorable Katumba, will deliver the President's message. Not as I'm senior, but I respect his age, I respect him as an elder. I want to thank all of you so much. I want to thank you for coming here, for being with the family, and when you're here, kill the name BMK. Instead of having streets in the name of William, people we don't know, we should pass a motion and have. I am going to ask the members of parliament to bring a motion. Who will pass a motion and name a street BMK. I want to thank you so much. May the soul of Dr. BMK rest in eternal peace. The representative of the president, who is none other than the General Katumba, kindly, can you come and deliver the president's message?
oyagala omukolo gw'ogwenjawulo gubeere n'ebijjukizo mu nnyumba yo kankwanjulire Baking Montage Photo Studio fe bakafulu mu kkuba ebifaananyi n'okukola vidiyo olina wedding birthday party kukyala nika baby shower photoshoot oba music shoot na buli kimu kyonna ky'oyagala fe tusobola okuwa ebijjukizo ebirungi eri ebirooto byo ate nno mwana wattu kusintiiza omuntu wa bulijjo tusange bannankulabe ku bitaala ku Prime Tower level 3 room D04 okumanya ebisingawo tukubire ku nnamba zino noti 7 noti 2 emu noti 4 emu 25 oba noti 755 3 731 oba noti 777 noti 23 4 noti 5 King Montage Photo Studio fe tusobola okuwa ebijjukizo ebirungi ate